students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSCB solution, Kids Zone, and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcement. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comment, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 6 Social Science chapter 4 What Books and Bureaus tells us. So first question is match the columns. So the answers are Sukta, well said. Tarots used in battles. Yajna, sacrifice. Dasa, slave. Megalith, stone boulder. Second question, complete the sentences. Slaves were used for work. Megaliths are found in South India, Northeast and Kashmir. Stone circles or boulders on the surface were used to indicate the exact place of burial. Potholes were used for burying the other member of the same family at the same place. People at Imangaon ate wheat, barley, rice, pulses, mills, peas, sesame, etc. Let's discuss. The first question in that is, in what ways are the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? The books we read today were written and printed. The Rig Veda was recited and heard rather than read. For many years, from generation to generation, the process continued. It was written down several centuries after it was first composed and printed less than 200 years ago. What kind of evidence from the burials of archaeologists used to find out whether there were social differences amongst those who were buried? So the answer is, sometimes archaeologists find a circle of stone boulders or a single large stone standing on the ground. These are the only indication that there are burials beneath. All these burials have some common features. Generally, the dead were buried with distinguished pots which are called black and red ware. Also found are tools and weapons of iron and sometimes skeletons of horses, horse equipment and ornaments of stone and gold. Several kinds of evidence from burials do archaeologists used to find out that there were social differences amongst those who were buried underneath the megaliths. They think that objects found with a skeleton probably belong to the dead person. Sometimes more objects are found in one grave than in another. For instance, in Brahmagiri, one skeleton was buried with 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles, and 1 conch shell. Other skeleton had only a few pots. Perhaps there were differences in status amongst the people who were buried. Perhaps some were rich, other poor, some chiefs, other followers. Next question, in what ways do you think that the life of a Raja was different from that of a Dasa or Dasi? In the society, Raja was one of the highest civilian position. Rajas were the kings of the community, whereas the Dasas or Dasis were the lowest position in the society. The Dasas and Dasis were slaves who were used for work. They were treated as the property of their owners. They were captured in war. Let's do. Find out whether your school library has a collection of books on religion and list the names of 5 books from this collection. Do yourself with the help of your subject teacher and school librarian a sample set of 5 such books: the Mahabharata, Ramayana, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. So this was exercise of chapter 4, class 6, NCERT solution. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.